This video is about the online reporting available on the Jet Information Services website, which is available on the internet at www.jetinventory.com. Jet Information Services offers comprehensive statistics about the worldwide commercial jet fleet, and one way it does that is through the online reporting. There are two types of online reports. There are the dynamic online reports, available from this menu item, expanded through traffic. And then there are the static online reports available at this menu item, online charts and tables. Both types of reports report from the same database, but the static online charts and tables are pre-created so that the selection of data and the way that data is laid out is not alterable at runtime, which is a feature that the dynamic online reports do offer. That is, the selection of data, the way that data is laid out, and the way it's displayed is alterable at runtime. This first menu item provides a written description about the dynamic online reports, lists the reports that are available. This video is available from there. Features offered by the dynamic online reports. Each report in the dynamic online reports has three report types, which is the way the data can be displayed, either as a chart, crosstab grid, or as a columnar grid, or any combination of the three. The rest of this description is about the options and parameters available in the report types and the selection of data. This last menu item provides some example charts created with the dynamic online reports. So let's look at an example dynamic online report. We could look at the summary report. The first thing we see is that there are 5 main sections listed here: the preset selections and views, the select data to view, and then the 3 report types: view data as chart, view data as crosstab grid, view data as columnar grid. These 5 sections are available in each dynamic online report. This first section is about presets, offers a list of presets that can be restored. And presets are specifications as to what data is selected, how that data is laid out, and which report types are being viewed. So there are 2 types of presets. There's the permanent presets, which are available to all users, and then there are the user presets. The user presets are a set of presets under the control of each individual user. That is, each user has their own set of presets, and they can add to those presets, alter those presets, create new presets, or delete existing presets of the user presets, and restore the presets. So this second section, select data to view, offers ways to subset the data and constrain the data. Right now we see the whole data set is available so that all manufacturers are available, all models, all countries. If we were to set a constraint so that the data selected is all Boeing manufacturer, then the models would be reduced to just those Boeing models. Or if we were to change it to Airbus, just the Airbus models. If we were to subset the region, now we would have two constraints, manufacturer Airbus and region Europe. So we see that only the countries available in Europe are listed to select from. If we were to change it to Yakovlev, we would see a different subset. So all these fields are constrained by what is constrained, the constraints that are set. And to get rid of the constraints, we can reset the selection so that the full data set is now available. If we were to wanted to select multiple values in a particular field, we could do that with the multi-select. So if we wanted to select two manufacturers, say Airbus and Boeing, we could do that here. And then the fields that have multi-selected values are then displayed in red. And the fact that there's multi-select selected is indicated that by the button being red. So we could display the data as a chart. Or we could display it as a crosstab grid. We can change the field associated with the axes and then recreate the report type. If we wanted to do that with the chart, we could do that also. Change it back. And then the third report type is the columnar grid. Here we get a subtotal of the units for the distinct values, distinct combination of values on the fields that we select. So for each unique combination of values, we get a subtotal. Now we could print the grids or charts. Or we could download the grids to Excel. The chart offers this ability to add multiple charts within the chart space if we wanted to see various ways of looking at the data all in the same display. When it adds a chart, it takes the settings from the previous chart, so right now they're both the same. But we can change the specifications. So once we have a display that has the selection of data we wanted and the way that data is displayed selected, we can create a preset. So let's create a preset. Now, if we wanted to show that that preset was set, I'll restore a different preset, which would have a different set of specifications. This preset has multiple models selected, and it has regions in the stack bar over time for the chart, manufacturers across time for the crosstab grid, and year model region selected for the columns in the columnar grid. And if we were to restore the preset we made, now we can see that the multiple manufacturers is indicated, and we're back to the preset that we created. And so that's just a brief overview of the online reporting on Jet Information Services website. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call or send us an email. And so thanks for listening. Take care.